Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Nissan Sentra, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take care of your rear taillight bulbs. In case if one of your bulbs is out, I'll show you how to replace it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get ratchet 10 mil, and so let's open the trunk. So in order to change a bulb inside, you have to remove the light. It's actually simple. Just what we have to do, we have to get flathead screwdriver, take this is just a huge clip, so get the middle out and then you'll be able to pry it out. Okay, like this, very simple. Then we just get this out of our way. Okay, and now here we have access to the light. All right, so here we have two bolts, two nuts we have to take out, 1 and 2. So we just take a 10mm ratchet and loosen them up, and then using your hand just get them out. 1, 2. Okay, now we should be able to get our light out. So let's do this. To get it out, you just have to use one hand here and pull with the other hand, like on a housing. So yeah, it's hard to film this. I'll try to. So you have to just pull the light to yourself. That's what I'm gonna do now. Hope you guys can see something. Here we go. So the story is, you have clip here which goes around here. As you can see, it just goes around it and it's being held down. Okay, so we have the light out. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, very simple. To remove the bulb, just spin and pull out. Okay, then you just take the bulb with your fingers and make sure it's not hot, and replace it with the other bulb. Put it back in, click it, same thing here. Take it out. This is a turn signal. Just remove the light with your finger, just pull on it, it's gonna come out. And when you have a replacement one, put it inside and spin till it's secured. That's it. Same thing here. That's it. Once you have everything done and you have whatever you had to do, make sure you align this, okay, without, so you don't have any gaps and stuff. So this, okay, all good, and just slightly tap on it. Okay, nice. So as you can see, there should be no gaps, nothing here. All right, okay, good. Now when you do this, you have to just take 2 nuts you took out from here. Second nut on the bottom, tighten up. I believe there was a wire that went through here, like this. Close. Close this cover. Take your clip, put it back in. Make sure this thing is not crooked. All right, and then just press the piece, this thing here. That's it. And yeah guys, so now you can do it yourself. So hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day guys. Bye.